Pudding and fruits is a delicious and healthy recipe that everyone can easily make. Pour 1 liter of milk in a saucepan. Add 2 sachets of pudding in it. Mix it well. Boil the milk for 2 minutes. Cut fruits into small pieces, then evenly distribute the chopped fruits in a cake mold. Then squeeze half lemon on it. Then now add small pieces of cookies. Pour pudding mix in the mold when cooled down. Now place it in fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Delicious dessert is ready. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.